Peace and blessings. This is Markeisha for those of you who are new, and those of you who are not, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be sharing how to use our 100% pure African black soap after your excitement wears off after you receive it. So I start by assessing my face. This is the only soap that I use on my face. The tiniest amount of our soap makes the most beautiful lather. This is what our soap is known for, the moisturizing foam that it produces and the cleansing properties of our soap. Nope, I would not share the recipe with you. It's a guarded secret. Now, our African black soap is known to rejuvenate the skin. It works on most skin types, including dry or sensitive skin. It helps to clear acne, blemishes, bumps, marks, and spots, which is one of the reasons why it's the only soap that I've been using on my face for over 10 years. I do this to my face in a circle of motion for about 3 minutes, but do what works best for you. You can also turn this soap into a body wash or a liquid cleanser by simply dropping a little bit of it into some distilled water and letting it dissolve. I then pat my face dry and I follow up with the toner of my choice, which is rose water with hyaluronic acid, but use what you like. You'll then want to follow up with the moisturizer of your choice. I'm going to be using our Ivory Unrefined Shea Butter, and no, it is not white. And I'm taking a little bit of it and warming it up in my hands to melt it, and I'm going to fully rub it into my face until it's dissolved. And that's pretty much it. And I want to welcome you to the lifestyle, and I send you peace, love, and light wherever you may be on your journey. Peace.